So let's get started with the Word first. So to open Word, you have to click on Start button. After that, search for Word. Maybe in your case, you will find different version of Word. So here I am using 2024 version. So before clicking on blank document, I can see here already present templates available. So I'll click on more templates. So let's see here many more templates which you can use to get start quickly. So suppose I have to create one resume. So I'll search for resume, and here I have many more templates of resume. I can edit anyone. Let's suppose if you want to start with this template, so just you have to click on it and then click on create. So here I can change the name directly, and also I can change designation. So in this way you can modify these text fields and you can use this template directly. So this is very quick and easy way to get start with Microsoft Word. You can make any format, you just have to select the template and you have to edit the details only.